Hi guys, welcome to Handy and Easy. Today we're in the backyard and we're installing this Suncast large vertical shed, and if you follow the instructions it will be very easy to assemble, but when you arrive to this door section it can be a little bit challenging. So I was searching for some YouTube videos that could show me how to install the doors, but I didn't find any that show me clearly how to install them. So I hope that I can show you how to easily install the doors on this shed. So let's get started. These are the tools and materials that we will be using. Of course you will need your two doors. You will also have a set of 6 hinge plates and 6 screws. I believe these are the large CC screws according to the manual, and finally a Phillips screwdriver or a flathead screwdriver. Before we start, I just want to show you how the final assembly will look like. So we have here the hinge receptacle, and we have 3 on this side and 3 on the other side. So the idea is that this hinge section goes into the hinge receptacle, and then it will just pop in, and then we will take our screw and insert it through this hole back here, and it will come out on the other side. Here we have our left door. The first step will be to install the metal hinge into the hinge mount. It is important that this hole is facing towards the door. In order to do this, we will slide from the bottom the hinge and then just rotate it to the open position, like this. Now repeat this step for the remaining 2 hinges on the left door, and also for the 3 hinges on the right door. Now, as I was showing you at the beginning of the video, we'll have to align the edge of the hinge in the hinge receptacle. You'll have probably to use both of your hands in order to get the 3 hinges aligned. Now that the 3 hinges are aligned, we will push the hinge towards the left wall so that it snaps on, like this. And then we will start pushing the middle hinge and try to open the door a little bit so that it also snaps on, like this. And finally, this one has already snapped on. Finally, take the CC screw and insert it in the back hole here, like this. Just make sure that it comes out on the other side, and we'll start screwing it in. This only has to be hand tight. With this part will squeeze the plastic part here, and it will be very tight. So make sure that you do the same process for the other 2 hinges and all of the hinges in the right door. And with this we conclude our video on how to install the hinges for the Suncast Shed. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Handy and Easy, and as always, have an excellent day.